Guys, I'm off to San Diego, California from Orange County, California to do a grazing table for the beautiful Lauryn of The Skinny Confidential. Here we go. Hey guys, we are here in San Diego setting up for The Skinny Confidential's goddaughter's beautiful baptism. Now we're going to set up a grazing table runner. So we are halfway done with this grazing runner, and I wanted to let you know to keep colors separate. You don't want colors to blend in. You really want them to be opposite and to pop. So I've got orange, I've got cherries here, green grapes, another orange to pop, and then the red. And be sure to layer. Here's our finished product. Check it out. It only took us about 2.5 hours to get there, an hour and 15 minutes to set up, and then we were done. And that was a flat lay grazing table runner. If you're curious, you can see more on Olive and Nectar's Instagram account. And please like, comment, and subscribe.